My Onan 7500 diesel generator shut down and blinks 3 times indicating needs maintenance. 195 hours total, 6 hours since last oil change and oil level is good, coolant full. Breaker did not trip. Installed an 03 mH and I had it extended in its carrier while running. Ideas.
What's the make and model of the generator? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
Onan 7500 quiet diesel 03.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If it's simple, yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I don't think so. Just need to know what to look at, if anything.
Hello, I'm Gina, a moderator for JustAnswer.com. I'm so sorry that a JustAnswer expert has not connected with you yet. I wanted to reach out to see if you still needed assistance with your question. Please use the reply box below to let me know if you'd like to continue or cancel. Thank you, Gina moderator.
Still need assistance.
Hello, my name is I'm going to assist you with this. 1. What is the full model number of the genset? 2. Code 3 is only a service indicator. Let's see what the actual fault code is. Go to the genset and use the switch on the set itself. Press stop 3 times within 5 seconds. The light in the switch will start flashing. If the light flashes 3 times, pauses for 3 seconds, and flashes 3 more times, press and immediately release stop 1 more time. This will put the controller into fault read mode. The light will flash X number of times, pause for 1 second, and flash for X number of times again. Count the flashes before and after the pause. This will be the fault code. Example, 2 rapid flashes, 1 second pause, 5 rapid flashes is a fault code 25. There may be more than one fault code stored, so watch the light very carefully. If there is more than one code, it will display them all in order, and then start over again. Be very careful not to misread a first-level fault code, single-digit code, as a second-level fault code, double-digit code. The way to tell the difference is by the length of the pauses. There is a 1 second pause between digits of a second-level code, and a 3 seconds pause between codes. For example, if it is flashing 2 times, 1 second pause, flashing 2 times, 3 seconds pause and repeating, then this is a second-level fault code of 22. If it is flashing 2 times, 3 seconds pause, flashing 2 times, 3 seconds pause and repeating, then this is a first-level fault code of 2. What fault code are you getting?
Model number 7.5 COD 11451H secondary code is 36.
Does the unit not start at all now? Does it start but then shuts down? If it starts then shuts down, how long does it run before it shuts down? How much fuel do you have in your coach?
It will start, sometimes it takes a couple of tries. Runs for 5 to 10 minutes and shuts down. 3/4 tank of fuel in coach. Air filter seems dirtier than I would have expected. I've ordered a new one, be here tomorrow.
A dirty air filter can definitely cause it to shut down. For testing purposes, you can run it without the air filter. If it will stay running without the filter, you know that is the only problem. If it still will not run, you likely have a fuel issue. Replace the fuel filter if it has been a while. If that does not help, then you need to do a fuel flow test. To do a fuel flow test, get underneath the genset, and remove the return fuel line. It is marked on the side of the genset. Attach a piece of fuel hose to the nipple, and run the hose into an empty container of at least 1 quart capacity. Press and hold the stop/prime button for exactly 1 minute. In 1 minute, it should pump a minimum of half pint of fuel. If it does not, there is an issue with the pump or the supply lines. To narrow it down, remove the fuel supply hose from the other nipple. Make sure to mark which hose is which. Attach another length of fuel line to the supply nipple, and drop it into a can of fuel. Press the stop/prime button again. If fuel still does not flow, the pump is bad. If fuel does flow now, the line is bad between the tank and genset. Did you find anything?
Yeah. Just finished. Replace the air filter and the fuel filter. Seems fine for now. I also saw an inline filter on the supply line that I'm going to replace as a safeguard. I haven't got up to that yet, so I don't have a replacement number. I also plan to carry the fuel pump in the event this problem reoccurs due to an intermittent pump. I haven't been able to find that part hash yet. You've been great. Thanks.
An inline fuel filter before the genset is unnecessary. There is a filter inside the genset, a pretty large one. The part number for that fuel pump is A047N931. Thank you for using JustAnswer, and please take a moment to rate my assistance.
Thanks. I replaced the big one in the genset.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.